So this time we're going to find the volume of the region inside rho equals 2, so the sphere of radius 2, which is above z equals 0, and below the cone phi equals pi over 3. All right, so let's see what we've got here. Let's start with our sphere of radius 2, and then it's going to be above z equals 0. So let's draw. That was hilarious. Okay. Whee! There we go. Much better. Sorry about snorting there. I was just disgusted by that terrible figure. And below phi equals root 3. So let's see. So phi equals 0 is straight up. Phi equals, not root 3. Pi over 3. Okay, so that's going to be something like this guy. And like that. Okay. And so now we are above the z equals 0 plane and below this cone. So it's going to be, there we go. Let's see, this region in here. Does it look weird if I sketch the 3D portion of the region? I hope not. Okay, it's going to be this part here. And maybe I'll backshade this. Alright, now maybe it just looks weird. Oh well, alas. Okay, so it's... Yeah, I don't even know why I colored that part in. Forget it. Okay, this bit. So let's see. So now to set this up in spherical coordinates, let's see. We are going to go from this. So this set contains the origin, and it goes out to this bounding sphere through this region, and then we spin that around. So in other words, if yeah, here we go. This is what I should have done back at the beginning. If I take this sector of the circle right here and rotate it around the vertical axis, it's going to sweep out the region that I need. And this thing contains the origin. Okay, so that means we go from 0 and we go out to rho equals 2. And then we're going from, let's see, we start at this one here, which is phi equals pi over 3. And we go down until we get to this one here, which is phi equals pi over 2. So we have pi over 3 to pi over 2. And then we do our usual 2 pi spinny spinny. Whoops. And so this is volume, so it's just rho squared sine phi d rho d phi d theta. And so what do we do with that? So we can fubinate and peel off this theta interval. And let's see, looking around for phis, we've got a phi live to go. This is also a rectangle, so pi over 3 to pi over 2 sine phi d phi. And then lastly, we've got our good old rho from 0 to 2. That's rho squared from our Jacobian d rho. Okay, things are looking up. We've got 2 pi, and we're going to get a 1/2 out of that sine integral, and then we've got 8 over 3 from that last one there. And so putting that all together, we get 8 pi over 3. Yeehaw.